Excel can be anything, but if you use it elegantly, you can really build really amazing stuff. And in today's business world, yes, there are many tools out there, but Excel is always the king because it's so flexible that you can build something that it could be very, very useful for your organization, for your team, and serve you as a prototyping tool to build something that at the end of the day is scalable, flexible, useful for smart decision making. So the biggest challenges with the visualizations in Excel is actually is default charting system. And we are still with what we have in terms of charts. It's been the same since 2002. Nothing has really changed on that. Maybe a little bit, maybe new charts, but it's the same functionalities has always been there. If you know how to hack them, then you know how to make them look good. But if you don't know that, then yes, you will be stuck in with basic, uh, very basic visualizations. And it doesn't really align to the proper, correct, or the good recommended practices of data visualization. So that's one thing. The charting engine of Excel is very basic. In order to enhance the visual, you kind of have to hack Excel to get that. So hacking is not intuitive in one respect, and then in even to make it more dynamic, you also have to know a little bit of more formulas to make your visualization interactive for the user. So the first thing that the new adding is going to help me is going to reduce my time to produce something that immediately I can start analyzing. Before analyzing the numbers, we had to build a chart, make it look good, and then analyze the number. With the new add-in, with just one click, I can get immediately a chart that will tell me these are the values, but then their context. Are they doing good or are they doing bad? Through the add-in, it offers you a great library of options to choose from to see values across time, or maybe to see them more on a categorical axis, as well with the small multiples that really gives you more context to see the numbers as a whole, but then individually by department or by product line or by state. So I think it's just gonna be speed to insight. With one click, we get the information right away, we get the context, and then we can take this and we can make decision making. No more spending time building and hacking Excel to produce the same result. With one click, you can get a nice visual. Is that the potential is huge. And I believe Zebra BI have done an amazing job really bringing the Excel adding